What if I told you that you, yes you, could hire these seasoned professionals, even the ones with the fanciest clothes, the freshest haircuts, and the trendiest watches, for absolutely free? But Sandeep, in what world is this possible? The one if you're looking to buy a home, my friends. It seems few people understand how real estate commissions work. The agent representing you as a buyer earns their commission directly from the proceeds of the sale of the home, which is paid by the seller. You can have a seasoned professional with years of experience help you find the right home you want, negotiate the deal that's right for you, guide and facilitate the entire transaction with you at no cost to you. So in a world where free can be considered a scam or a trick, this, however, may well be the best value for hiring any professional today. Do you want to buy a house? Call me and let's get started.